Here's a really good tip on getting your mind right.
So you have to get to a point where you consider yourself an owner or operator of a home inspection business. You're an owner of a business and you operate a business and you just happen to do home inspections. Why do you want to do that? Because you want to get to the point where it's not just you in your business, because there's only so much that you can do. If you're doing everything, it's hard to make those stacks of dollar bills. You have to figure out what is really important to you and what you should be doing and delegating to others to do for you or with you. And to think like a business owner, we have a home inspection business course, and it's free and it's online, open to everyone. I'll tell you why to take it, even if you're in business right now. The technical stuff, we've got hundreds of courses. You're eventually going to have to stop that. You've got enough knowledge, technical expertise, competence to do a home inspection. You're gonna have to learn how to conduct business, operate a business that's successful. And we put all that stuff in the home inspection business course. It's really good. It's free, it's online, learn at your own pace, pop in and out anytime you want. There's also calculating what you should charge for your fees and making sure that that calculation includes profit. It's based upon math. It's calculated. It's not a guess. Pricing your fees is in this course.
It's a mindset. A lot of failed home inspection businesses were doomed to failure because I've met many of them. They came through a course, an online course program, or the 5-day class, and they just thought of themselves as an inspector. And they thought if they could just do really good inspections, that people will hire them. And that doesn't work that way. You have to be good at performing a home inspection. So your skills, go from left to right. Your skills has to be really high performing a home inspection to the right, and you have to be really good at marketing. And what you want to be is good at both and be in this quadrant. You want to be good technically and fantastic as a marketer, and then you'll be in demand. So change your mind. You are now a business owner who just happens to perform home inspections.